the voicemail box of...
Hey, it's Sarah. I got a new phone, so you probably don't recognize the number. Call me back when you get the chance. Hey, Nate. It's Sarah again. Wondering if you got my last message? I'm headed back from the store, just wanting to make sure you knew my number. I'll see you soon. Nate, I'm getting a bit worried. My calls are going through, I think. Let me know if you're getting them. Nate, I know you're getting my calls because they're not straight to voicemail. Call me back. I pulled up and you're not here. When will you be back? Let me know. Where are you, Nate? I'm worried sick. Are we still meeting up? Look, did I do something to upset you? I thought we talked about how I don't like being ignored. Just answer the phone. Maybe I'm just going crazy. You're probably out with friends or your family, or... Never mind. I know I'm blowing up your phone, so I'll leave it at this. I get it if you don't want to call me back or meet up. But shoot me a text, so I know you're safe. It's not like you to be so distant. Nate, I know you're not going to hear this. Not after what I've done. I just wanted to say I'm sorry. I regret what happened, and I never wish to redo it. Please understand that. I never expected things to escalate that. I just wanted to say I'm sorry. And I know you'll never know that. Nate, you are starting to be very troublesome for me. Your mother called and asked where you were. Of course, I told her I didn't know, because how could I tell her that her own son was buried on the side of Highway 9? I'll try and show a brave face for you, baby. Okay? Just so you know, Nate, I'm not as stupid as you think. The police don't even know that I have your phone. They won't help you if they can't hear what I say. Oh, these messages can just be deleted anyway. You're fucked. Your mom came to my house last night. Even invited her in for coffee, since she was bawling her eyes out over you being gone. Of course, I still can't say anything. I had to fake it. Putting on that perfect smile and acting like a ditz so they don't catch on. I told her that I'm your girlfriend. Did you not tell her about us? Ugh, I hate that you have to make me act like this as my first impression to your family. They'll never know how smart I really am. Thanks for that. I figured I'd tell you what your family's thinking, since no one else can bear to hear it. Your mom says she loves you and wants you to come home. We both know that can't happen. Nate, come home. You've been missing for 10 days now. They're going to start thinking of this as a... Just come home, okay? They held a vigil for you tonight, hoping you'd come home. They think you ran away. Said you were going through a lot. It was nice. Your mom wanted me to get up and speak, but I was too emotional. Things are so different without you. Nate, miss you. Please, come back to me. I'm sorry that we've been fighting. I should have trusted you more. Come home. Your mom's been coming over for the last few nights. She's glad that her son finally has a girlfriend. It's cute. You never told me about your mom. Of course, I didn't ask, but she's just like you. Everyone in your life is saying how sweet and caring you are. Why didn't you show those things to me? You're a fake, and they don't see that. Only I know who you really are. You hurt me, Nate. I thought I was enough for you. Why did you have to go and be with that girl? I thought you were playing hard to get. I love you. Come back to me. Nate, baby, I took the liberty of looking through your phone. Of course, I couldn't keep it on for long or they'd easily find your signal. You said you loved her? You called me crazy to all of your friends? Said not to worry about me and that I was nothing. You're wrong, Nate. You should worry about me. I'm coming to see you, Nate. We need to talk face to face about this misunderstanding. Oh my God, Nate. I'm so sorry. I'm begging you to forgive me. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I am crazy. I'm going to make sure they don't know where you are. You'll be here only for myself, like we were supposed to be. I'll get rid of your phone so they can't find you. No more missed calls or avoiding me now, okay? I'll be here to listen now. Surely your family will get over all of this eventually, and I'll stop having to pretend you're still with us. Oh, but you're still with me. I'm not going anywhere. They won't find your phone. I turned it off and threw it into the creek. The cops still think you ran away, so they won't care to look. Goodbye, Nate. It's a shame I can't bring myself to join you.
Hello?
Hi, Peter, right? It's Emily. Are we still on to meet up tonight?